Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. I'm a makeup artist, a beauty blogger, and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a couple of tips that I've written down, and these tips are tips that I feel like are necessary if you decide that you want to take makeup artistry as a career, like what you do to make money. If it's your passion, if it's something that you've really thought about, like you've thought about it so much and you've come to the conclusion that what you want to do with your life is to be a makeup artist. So this video is for you, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys all these tips, and I hope that I help you guys start this journey. So guys, I have 7 tips to share with you guys about the things that you need to do if you want to take makeup artistry as a career. If you want to do a lot of research, like you can never go wrong with research. Like anything that you decide that you want to do, or you've decided that you want to do, you can actually never go wrong with researching and finding out things about that particular career. A lot of people think that, oh, it's just makeup, let me buy makeup and let me start doing makeup. It's actually not just makeup. It's actually not just makeup, guys. You have to research. You need to find out beauty brands, schools, different makeup artists, learn about their story, how they started, how they got their big break. Learn about various makeup artists in the region that you're in. So for example, if you're in Lagos, you need to learn about makeup artists in Lagos, how they started, what schools they went to, if they learned anything, if they went for master classes. You need to actually find out these things. Learn about the market, learn about the business. You need to actually research all of these things. Learn. Whatever it is that you do not stop learning. Do not stop finding out things about what you do in relations with the present time, what's in trend, the people that are doing it now, what they do, what they're doing differently, things that are moving the market in right now. You actually need to learn all of these things. You actually do need to learn your craft as well. So you need to learn how to do makeup. So you may say, oh, I have the gift, I'm self-taught, I know everything, let me just start off. I feel like you should go to a makeup course, or at least do a couple of master classes, and to an extent perfect your skill. To a makeup school or do a couple of master classes. A lot of makeup artists do master classes in Lagos. A lot of makeup artists, a lot. So pick one makeup artist that you want to learn from. Pick one makeup artist that you would want to learn from. Contact them, ask them when their next masterclass is. Find out if they would like to teach someone. If you don't want to go do a masterclass, you can actually find out if they would like to teach someone one-on-one. A lot of makeup artists actually do that. I do that as well. So if you want to learn how to perfect a particular aspect of your makeup, maybe your brows are not perfect and you need to get your brows to be perfect in such a way that people will trust you with doing their brows, you can contact somebody to teach you how to get those perfect brows. Get a job, or find a makeup artist that you would like to assist, intern for someone. Trust me, you are not too big to intern for somebody. So you need to get a job. You can get a job at a makeup store or a beauty store or a beauty retail store. You can also get a job with a makeup artist. You can decide to intern for a makeup artist. You would learn how to manage your business. You will learn how to do makeup. You will learn how to interact with clients. You learn how to be punctual, how to be creative with your makeup, how to communicate with your clients, how to ask questions, just how to behave when you're working with a client. That's why I think learning and interning from a makeup artist is actually important. Getting a job is actually important. So you may want to start off doing makeup or by yourself. All well and good, very good, but if you work under somebody, it will help you and it will build you to the point where you can stand alone, you can stand by yourself. Start building your makeup box. Once you start interning for a makeup artist, once if you found out a makeup artist that you would want to work with, I really urge you, like, that's the point where you actually do need to start building your makeup box. Some people start building their makeup box way before that, like even before they even decide that they want to start doing makeup on people as a profession. You know, someone that before she even said, oh, Stephanie is like, makeup is what I want to do with my life, she already had like a box filled with makeup. So you need to start building your makeup box. Like, it's like a tool. It's what you go to the farm with. It's like going to the farm and not having your cutlass or your hoe or your shovel, something like that. So you need your toolbox, you need your makeup box, you need to get all the essentials, all the things that you know that you definitely need to create a perfect look on your clients. Find someone who can teach you how to take good pictures, even with your phone. You need someone that can teach you how to take pictures. So if you're interning for someone, you also need to learn how they take pictures as well. You need to find out how they take pictures, how they edit their pictures, how they make all the colors that they use on the eyes, on the face, how they make it to pop in picture. Once you start doing makeup on people, obviously you need to market your product. You need to market yourself to people, because that's how people will see you, and that's how clients will find you and want to book you for jobs. So photography is actually very important. You need to invest in, learning how to take good pictures. Now, the next point is social media is a great marketing tool. Like, I cannot even stress how much of a great marketing tool social media is. So you need to actually take advantage of social media. You need to take advantage of the fact that there's a platform where you can actually post all the pictures that you would end up taking when you start doing makeup. So get a business account, get a work page. I have a separate work page. I have a separate page for posting my work because that's how I want it. A lot of people actually do post pictures of themselves together with pictures of the work that they've done. Very good, but because of the plan that I have on a long term, I've decided to separate those two pages, because I may decide that, you know what, I'm going to be a full-time makeup artist and I'm not going to be a YouTuber anymore. Or I may decide that, okay, fine, I'm going to be just a YouTuber and I don't want to be a makeup artist anymore. So because I'm doing both together, I want to be able to differentiate them, and I want people and brands to also be able to differentiate the two aspects of makeup artistry that I do, the two aspects of beauty that I do. So you may decide to post pictures on your personal page, but I always believe that you should separate your work from yourself. At this point, I feel like by now you've decided that you want to do makeup, you've gone, you've researched, you've learned, you're assisting someone, you're interning for a makeup artist, you already started building your box, your makeup box, and you've learned a little bit of photography. You've opened your page, and your page is ready for you to start posting your personal, your work that you did on people on your page. Now, the last point is freelancing. By now, you should actually take the plunge and start doing makeup on your own, aside the makeup that you do with people that you intern with or the person that you're interning with. Get models, do makeup on them. Post pictures on your personal social media account, like your work page. Post pictures on your work page. Tag brands, tag blogs. Just basically tag people that you feel like would share your work with people, and advertise yourself as a freelance makeup artist, because at this point you're literally good to go. You're good to go, you're ready, you've done everything. You can go 3 months and you not get someone book you, but that first 1 year, just use it to learn your craft, master your craft, advertise yourself, push yourself, create awareness for yourself. And then it's upward from there onward, because you can never go back, because you've advertised yourself, you put yourself out there, and gradually people will start calling you for jobs. People will start needing your services. These are all the steps I feel like you need to follow if you want to become a makeup artist. And if you do all of these things, I'm very, very sure, I'm very certain that, you're well on your way to becoming one of the best makeup artists in the world. I hope I've been able to impact some sort of knowledge into you, and I hope that I've been able to share some things with you that will make you make the decision to actually start this journey, It's better now than later. If makeup artistry is what you want to do, start now. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys were able to learn something. I tried as much as possible to share all the things that I think will be important for you to actually do start your journey as a makeup artist. So I hope you learned something from this video. Yeah, if there are any other things that you would like me to say or to talk about, please let me know in the comment section down below, and definitely I'll answer all your questions, guys. Like, I'm always in the comment section, so leave a comment and I'll definitely answer your question. Yeah, so if you'd like to see more videos like this, more videos of me sharing my knowledge with you guys, please let me know in the comment section as well. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.